The marketing funnel, a comprehensive guide. The marketing funnel is a conceptual model that describes the journey a consumer takes from the first interaction with a brand to the final purchase and beyond. It illustrates the various stages a potential customer goes through, highlighting the need for different marketing strategies at each phase to effectively guide them towards making a purchase. The traditional marketing funnel comprises several stages: interest, consideration, intent, evaluation, purchase, and post-purchase. Understanding and optimizing these stages is crucial for any business looking to enhance its marketing efforts and drive sales. 1. Awareness. Definition. The awareness stage is where potential customers first become aware of a product, service, or brand. This stage is all about capturing the audience's attention. Key strategies. Utilize various advertising platforms: TV, radio, online ads, social media to reach a broad audience. Content marketing. Create engaging content, blogs, videos, infographics that addresses common problems or interests of the target audience. SEO. Optimize content for search engines to ensure it appears in relevant search results. Social media. Leverage social media platforms to increase brand visibility and reach new audiences through organic posts and paid promotions. Metrics. Impressions. The number of times an ad or content is displayed. Reach. The total number of unique users who have seen the content. Traffic. The number of visitors to a website or landing page. 2. Interest. Definition. In the interest stage, potential customers begin to show interest in a product or service. They engage with the content and seek more information. Key strategies. Email marketing. Send newsletters and promotional emails to nurture interest. Retargeting ads. Use cookies to display ads to users who have previously visited the website. Engaging content. Create in-depth articles, ebooks, and webinars that provide valuable information and demonstrate expertise. Metrics. Click-through rate (CTR). The percentage of users who clicked on a link in an email or ad. Time on site. The average amount of time users spend on the website. Engagement rate. The level of interaction, likes, shares, comments on social media posts. 3. Consideration. Definition. During the consideration stage, potential customers evaluate different options to determine which product or service best meets their needs. Key strategies. Comparison guides. Provide detailed comparisons between your product and competitors' offerings. Case studies and testimonials. Showcase real-life success stories and positive feedback from existing customers. Webinars and demos. Offer live demonstrations or webinars to highlight product features and benefits. Metrics. Bounce rate. The percentage of visitors who leave the website after viewing only one page. Conversion rate. The percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, for example, sign up for a newsletter. Download rates. The number of times resources, ebooks, white papers are downloaded. 4. Intent. Definition. The intent stage is where potential customers show a clear intention to purchase a product or service. They might add items to their cart, request a quote, or sign up for a trial. Key strategies. Personalized offers. Provide tailored discounts or Special offers to encourage purchase. Abandoned cart emails. Send reminders to users who have added items to their cart but haven't completed the purchase. Detailed product information. Ensure all product details, including specifications and pricing, are easily accessible and clear. Metrics. Cart abandonment rate. The percentage of shoppers who add items to their cart but do not complete the purchase. Lead to customer rate. The percentage of leads who eventually make a purchase. Click to conversion rate. The percentage of clicks on an ad or link that result in a sale. 5. Evaluation. Definition. In the evaluation stage, potential customers are making their final decision about whether to purchase a product or service. They might compare prices, read reviews, and seek recommendations. Key strategies. Customer reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on various platforms. Price match guarantees. Offer to match or beat competitors' prices. Free trials and samples. Provide free trials or product samples to reduce the perceived risk of purchasing. Metrics. Review ratings. The average rating of customer reviews. Price comparison traffic. The number of users visiting comparison pages. Free trial conversions. The percentage of trial users who convert to paying customers. 6. Purchase. Definition. The purchase stage is when the customer finally buys the product or service. This is a critical stage where the transaction is completed. Key strategies. Streamline checkout process. Simplify the checkout process to reduce friction and prevent cart abandonment. Secure payment options. Offer multiple secure payment methods to accommodate different customer preferences. Post-purchase communication. Send confirmation emails and receipts to reassure the customer and provide purchase details. Metrics. Sales volume. The total number of products or services sold. Average order value AOV. The average amount spent per order. Transaction completion rate. The percentage of initiated transactions that are completed successfully. 7. Post-purchase. Definition. The post-purchase stage focuses on customer satisfaction and retention. The goal is to ensure customers are happy with their purchase and encourage repeat business. Key strategies. Follow-up emails. Send thank you emails and request feedback on the purchase experience. Loyalty programs. Implement loyalty programs to reward repeat customers and encourage future purchases. Customer support. Provide excellent customer service to address any issues or concerns promptly. Metrics. Customer satisfaction score CSAT. A measure of customer satisfaction with their purchase and overall experience. Repeat purchase rate. The percentage of customers who make additional purchases. Net Promoter Score NPS. A metric that assesses the likelihood of customers recommending the brand to others. The evolution of the marketing funnel. The traditional marketing funnel has evolved to account for the complex and non-linear nature of modern consumer behavior. Here are some key developments. A. The hourglass model. The hourglass model extends the traditional funnel by emphasizing post-purchase activities. It recognizes the importance of customer retention, loyalty, and advocacy in driving long-term business success. B. The flywheel model. Popularized by HubSpot, the flywheel model shifts the focus from a linear journey to a cyclical process that prioritizes customer experience and satisfaction. It highlights the role of delighted customers in generating momentum for attracting new prospects. Conclusion: the marketing funnel remains a fundamental framework for understanding and guiding customer behavior. By recognizing the different stages and employing tailored strategies for each, businesses can optimize their marketing efforts, drive sales, and foster long-term customer loyalty. As the market continues to evolve, embracing new models and technologies will be crucial for staying competitive and meeting the ever-changing needs of consumers. Thanks for watching.